Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the topic of finding your passion. Whether you're feeling lost or just looking for a new direction, this step-by-step guide will help you discover what truly sets your soul on fire. Let's get started. Step 1. Self-reflection. The first step in finding your passion is self-reflection. Take some time to think about what activities make you lose track of time. What brings you joy and fulfillment? Grab a journal and jot down your thoughts. Step 2. Explore your interests. Next, it's time to explore your interests. Try out new hobbies, take classes, or volunteer in different fields. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. You might discover a passion you never knew you had. Step 3. Identify your values. Understanding your core values is essential in finding your passion. What principles are most important to you? Aligning your passions with your values will lead to a more fulfilling life. Step 4. Set goals. Now that you have a better idea of what you're passionate about, it's time to set some goals. Break down your passion into smaller, achievable milestones. Remember, progress is key. Step 5. Take action. Finally, take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start pursuing your passion today. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your growth, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Remember, finding your passion is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, stay curious, and never stop exploring. We hope this step-by-step guide has inspired you to embark on your own passion-fueled adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.